Well, after more than 700 days of negotiations, the University of Maine System has now reached a tentative agreement with the Graduate Workers Union for its first ever contract.
News Center Maine's Brianna Bush has more on what the deal means for the 900 student workers across the UMaine system.
Accessibility concerns here at Fogler Library and across campus are what helped shape the University of Maine Graduate Workers Union first contract.
It's incredibly dangerous.
Disabled veteran Lincoln Tyner has experienced this firsthand because he was a graduate worker in special collections.
I've almost flipped my wheelchair outside on it.
While the library has elevators, Tyner says there are 2 accessible bathroom stalls in the building, which are located on the 2nd and 3rd floors.
That's why I'm so excited that we've now got this contract as grad workers.
Tyner played a part in making sure that the Maine Human Rights Act is added to the University of Maine System's first collective bargaining agreement with graduate student workers.
It has a lot more coverage for us as disabled folks.
It's also a win for doctorate students Andrea Terrell and Aurora Green, who help represent about 900 student workers across Maine's public universities.
I think it feels kind of surreal because we've been fighting so long.
A majority vote by the union to ratify the contract means that UMS master's and doctorate students will receive stipend increases of between $3,000 and $5,000 the first year. Student workers will also see annual stipend increases of 3% in the 2nd year and 3.5% by the 3rd year.
We'll be getting bi-weekly pay so people aren't waiting over a month to get their first paycheck.
The 3-year contract guarantees that 65% of health insurance premium costs for grad workers are covered for the first 2 years, with an 85% contribution in the 3rd year.
We'll have that little bit less due at the beginning of the year when we're starting.
In a joint statement, Chancellor Daniel Malloy and UMaine President Joan Farini Mundy say, "This agreement achieves the right balance, recognizing that graduate student workers deserve fair compensation and working conditions that reflect their essential role in our education and research mission, while also upholding our responsibility to keep Maine's public universities affordable for students and taxpayers."
It's a new day for us.
The University of Maine System's Board of Trustees is expected to give final approval of the contract on Monday, January 26th. In Orono, Brianna Bush, News Center, Maine.